All right, guys, you're not going to believe this. So today, I actually ordered this yesterday, but I got it today. And this is a tire plug kit by a company. I guess they pronounce that Vehiclex. Comes with a cool little sticker. Aluminum handles. It does come with a pair of needle nose so you can pull the object out of the tire. Of course, comes with the plugs. Comes with a valve core tool with some valve cores. Tire pressure checker, little cutoff tool, and an extra plug probe, I guess is what you call that. But the reason I said that you're not going to believe this is because I ordered this yesterday just to put in. I've got plug kits in every single car we own. We're about out of plugs with the little cheap one that I've got in my son's truck. So I wanted to order a nice one. And for the money, I thought that this one was probably one of the better options. And today at about, I don't know, 4 o'clock, my wife gets off work. About 15 minutes later, she calls me, says she's got a flat tire. And sure enough, she's got a nail or something in her tire. So I'm going to have to back this car up a little bit so that I can actually get down there so that we can pull that out and plug it. So what a perfect day to do a video on this particular plug kit and how to plug a tire. So let me get this car backed up a little bit so that I can get to that, and then we're going to give this thing a try. All right. So normally what I use to pull these out with is a heavy pair of 45-degree angled dikes. And you can get them up underneath there and pry them out. But I want to try to do this using only this kit. So we're going to see how these little needle nose pliers work. So I'm going to get ready with this so that I don't want any more air to leak out of the tires. I have to. So I'm going to get this ready so that as soon as I pull this out, we're going to shove this in there. It's like a big bolt or something. Jeez, what is that? That's a bolt. That thing might be too big even for this plug. I should have had the plugs ready. If I would have known that it was going to be that big, I would have. So I'm just going to grab a plug out of this little deal here. I also have compressors in not all of our vehicles, but a lot of them. All right. And that's how easy it is to plug a tire. And you'd be surprised how many tires I've plugged at work where people's had a flat tire. They didn't know what they was going to do. I throw a plug in it, we put air in it, and they're done. A lot of people don't like plugs. They for some reason they're afraid of them. I can't name how many tires I've plugged. Years ago, I went in to get new tires on my truck, And whenever I went to pick the truck up, they was kind of laughing, and they said, "Did you know you had 7 plugs in your right front tire?" And I laughed, and I said, "Well, I knew I had plugs in it, but I don't remember putting that many in, but apparently I did." They said that every tire on that truck ended up having a plug in it, but they had never seen one that had 7 plugs. I'm going to clean that off before I throw that back in this case. Those plugs was real gooey, which actually is nice because it makes them go in super easy, and they're obviously going to like stick to the inside of the tire. I am going to throw a little bit of leak check on this just to make sure that it is plugged up all the way, and we're going to be done with this. But anyway, other than needing to wipe this off, man, this seemed like a pretty nice little plug kit. These, you know, like I say, these are replaceable. You can spin that out of there and screw another one in. But that looked like the head of a bolt or something. Or not the head, but the shank of a bolt. Anyway, nice little plug kit here, better than just your standard little cheapie that you get at the Walmart down the road. Anyway, you guys take care. We'll see you, and plug away. Just to show you that the plug is reliable. Just a little soap and water. Makes good leak check for all kinds of stuff. Anyway, we're done. You guys take care. We'll see you in the next one.